The aviation sector, responsible for between 2 and 3% of global CO2 emissions, faces a critical challenge: urgent decarbonisation. SAF, Sustainable Aviation Fuel, is a major solution for our airline partners to cut direct carbon emissions.
Getting access to sufficient quantities of SAF will prove to be a key challenge for all airlines out into the future. OMV is a key partner for Ryanair in Austria and Romania. As we grow to 300 million passengers by 2034, that partnership is going to deepen and grow together.
SAF is a revolutionary drop-in fuel that can be produced from various raw materials. Since 2022, first quantities of SAF are being produced at our OMV refinery in Schwechat. It's made from used cooking oil, thereby transforming waste into a valuable resource.
In terms of outlook, the introduction of SAF mandates from next year will place a huge demand on sustainable aviation fuel production. We plan on going above mandate levels and using 12.5% SAF by 2030. Our partnership with OMV is absolutely key to achieving this.
SAF is an immediately available technology that reduces carbon emissions and has a critical role on our way forward towards more sustainable mobility.